keyboard sound test. This is the Red Dragon Kumar K552KR sound test. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Soon I will have a new keyboard, and I'm putting these switches on it.